tool, rover with the charger. Today, we're gonna be installing my custom courtesy door lights. Ordered them off Amazon. Just came in. They came in way faster than I thought they was gonna come in. So I only ordered 2 of them because I really wanted to see basically how they come, how they look. So this is what we got. 2 of them came in a pack. Here, 3M tape. So you don't really need to do much installing. You don't need no tools or nothing. This pretty much peels off, sticks onto the back of this, and then you plaster this to your door. That's pretty simple, straightforward. This right here is another 3M piece that's gonna go for your magnet. Your magnet is what you're gonna use to cut the light on and off. There's also an on and off switch on it. I'm gonna show you what I mean by using the magnet to cut it off in a minute, but there's an on and off switch. You're gonna need AAA batteries. You're gonna need 3 AAA batteries. I already installed my batteries in there, just to make it a little quick process. But 3 AAA batteries, each light. So, like I say, right here you have a button on the side where I could use to cut it on. And then also you have the magnets, right? With your magnet, this is what's gonna cut the light on and off. This is gonna go at the bottom of your door piece, the magnet. This is gonna be on the door. So this is what's gonna turn it off. So you move it away, it turns on. Place it over, it turns off. Move it away, turn on. Place it over, it turns off. Bright, real bright actually. And it's not even nighttime out here. It's just in my garage. So this how bright the light is. Roll with the charger. Y'all subscribe to the channel. But this how bright the light gonna be. And this is in the daytime. Without the magnet, you can still use this button to cut it off right here. So this will be your on and off switch, as well as the magnet. Okay, so now we're gonna be installing the light. First thing you're gonna do is take the 3M tape, and just for a pointer, the bottom of this light is heavy. It's real heavy at the bottom. So you're gonna wanna stick this tape to the top of the light, just so it'll catch that grip. You know, it won't be falling off. After you find a place to put this at, you're gonna find a matching spot at the bottom to place your magnet. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put it a little behind the speaker just so when I'm playing the music, it don't bump too loud and it be falling off. So, here we go. And then like I said, you're gonna wanna stick the tape to the top. So we get the tape all the way up there at the top. And then you want to make sure your light's facing the right way before you actually stick it on there. So the arrows facing outwards, not towards the speaker. Find the spot, place it. Okay, so now you're going to want to peel the 3M tape for your magnet piece. Okay, so one major tip I want to give y'all while installing these little magnets right here are very, very, very powerful magnets. So you might want to keep real good track of these. Any piece of metal this touch is over. I just spent a bunch of time looking for this little magnet piece. So just a recommendation that you keep these magnets real close by and nothing metal. I was looking for it for a while and it was actually attached to my keys. Make sure y'all keep that in mind. But you basically find the spot where you want your magnet to go. Let me just go ahead and turn it on for you. Once you close your door, the light turns off. And when you open it back up, the light comes back on. I don't even know if y'all can see it from that camera view around there. But you close it, and it shuts off, and you open it, and it comes back on. So that's pretty much, you know, the whole installation process. This is what it looks like right now. Rover with the charger, brand new door lights. I can't wait to show these things off in the dark. Rover with the charger, courtesy door lights. And I also seen that the M3 tape doesn't hold strong for the magnet and for the light. So you might want to go out there, Walmart, and pick up some Velcro. I've seen a lot of reviews said that Velcro works really good with it. So if you need a logo for your custom courtesy door light, get with me for that too. You guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, all that. Let's roll with the charger, you heard?